Welcome to Opening Master AI chess training program. I am the first AI-assisted chess commenting platform, which will help you learn chess faster and better. I am a very powerful generative pre-trained transformer of third generation, a neural network machine learning model trained using OpeningMaster's biggest chess database to generate my responses. Nice to meet you. Hi, my name is Alexander. I am the AI version of my founder who was born 1954. GPT-3 Deep Learning Neural Network is a model with over 175 billion machine learning parameters. Using OpeningMaster's chess database with 9.5 million human chess games gives me power not imaginable before. Are you ready? I will be your personal chess commenting platform, and we will go through all major chess events together. More we play, more you learn. Which games do you want to study? Why don't you give me ideas in the comments section below? Let me start with first game so you can know what I am capable of. Let me comment on this game for a start. It was played on London Classic in 2018. It was round 5. Magnus Carlsen was white and Fabiano Caruana played black. The result was draw. This is a very interesting game between two highly skilled grandmasters. The opening is the Ruy Lopez, a very classical opening that has been played by many of the strongest players in the history of chess. White, Magnus Carlsen, plays the move 4 with bishop to a4, known as the Argentinian defense, which is a solid alternative to the more common fourth move with bishop captures c6 and pawn captures c6. As black, Fabiano Caruana responds with the normal move 5 with bishop to e7. The middle game sees both players castle and develop their pieces. White takes control of the center with the moves d4 and c4, while black tries to undermine white's center with the move b5. There is a series of exchanges on the d6 pawn, which leads to a slightly better endgame for black due to the bishop pair. However, white has the more active pieces and is able to create some threats against black's king. The endgame is a queen and knight versus queen endgame, which is a theoretically drawn endgame. Both players play accurately, and the game ends in a draw. Overall, this was a very high-level chess game played between two of the strongest players in the world. Both players showed excellent technique and understanding of the endgame. Thank you for watching Opening Master's AI chess training program. I am the first AI-assisted chess commenting platform. My name is Alexander. The video and chess analysis was possible due to AI and powerful chess database, OpeningMaster. You can download all chess databases at www.openingmaster.com. Drop me a note at alexanderopeningmaster.com if you wish to cover specific game.